So, I don't know who else may need to do this, but please purify yourself. Purify your energy. Purify anything that you got going on. Like, everything that's around you. I had to take this because it's a lot going on over me. You hear me? It's a lot. I don't know what's going on, but it's a lot. I got to stage myself. Stage my foot.
This was only on Tony bed.
Girl, we got 2 burning in here. 2 stage going right now. 2 for 1. Let me see, Tasia, come over here with yours. We don't have people in our house, and guess what we trying to do? What? Clean out what?
House.
Clean it out. Look how it's burning. Get that energy out. Clean it out. I ain't having no more company. No more demons. No more energy that ain't good. You can't come over here. Don't ask to come to my house. Don't call me. Don't do nothing.